Hello guys, I got another update for you. This time around, this platform has a very high profits income in return. So if you want to be part of it, you want to know how this works and take advantage of this platform, stick to this video till the end. I'll be showing you every single details, how to deposit and how you can withdraw and also make some extra cash with this. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you are listening to my voice for the very first time, go down below, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell sign so you get notified once I upload another brand new update like this. So quickly, I won't take much of your time. Let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, so as I was saying, this platform has a very high income, a high profit in return, and they promise to give us 8% of our deposits daily. Now the name of this platform is ATM, TRX-ATM. They are new, and if you want to be part of this, now is the time for you to hop on it, because this just launched not up to 24 hours already, so you can quickly take advantage of this before it gets too late. So now what I want to show you in this video is how to deposit and how to withdraw. So quickly, before we do that, let's go to the notification where we can read about what they are proposing to us, what they are offering us on this platform. So you need to take your time, come over here, read and know what is going on in this platform. Don't just jump on it because you saw it on YouTube or you saw it, someone shared the link for you. You need to take your time and know what you're going into before you get into it. So now I also want to make this clear to you that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So I'm just showing you things you can do online and make extra cash. So before you deposit or you make investment in any of these platforms, take your time to do some research. Make sure you do some thorough research and invest wisely. Okay, so this is it. It is said here that this platform, you can take a look. You can take your time to read the rest, but I will show you this briefly. It is written here already that you can deposit from 5 Tron to activate your account. So from 5 Tron to 100 Tron, you can get 8% daily from your withdrawal. So from 101 till 2000 Tron, you can get like 9% daily. So you see, it is now left for you to make your choice and do what is right. So let's go back. So when you sign up, there's a link in the description. If you want to join, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on it, and you are going to get to this platform. You sign up, you have a balance of 20 Tron available on your balance, and which is withdrawable. That is, if you activate your account, you'll be able to withdraw it. So now quickly, I'll show you how to activate your account by making a deposit of the minimum. So let's go. You click on deposit over here. All right, so go to minor upgrade. You click on minor upgrade. Definitely you'll be given an address over here, which is here. So all you need to do is to copy the address here. Just click on it and you copy. So we copy. Now we have to go back to our wallets. Go to my Tron where I have some Tron in my wallet. Go back. All right, click on it and you go to send. Paste the wallet address I just copied and here. Okay, I will like to put like 8 because from 8 Tron you'll be able to activate the withdrawal. The minimum is 5 anyway, but you can put any amount you want upward, from 5 upward. I'll be putting 8 because once you deposit 8, you'll be able to start withdrawing from the 20 Tron available on your dashboard. So that's what we're doing here now. put 8 Tron, send, and we confirm it, and here. Now let's make sure this is gone before we move from here. All right, so okay, good, it's gone. Now let's go back to our platform and see. Okay, yes, that shows that it's gone. So what you need to do once you finish sending your Tron, you come down here and make sure you click on this recharge complete. It's very important. You need to click that. Then you click on it. Then good, it's gone. Now let's wait few seconds or few minutes to see if we'll get our 8 Tron on our balance now. So let me just, maybe I'll refresh the page to see if it's gonna reflect. Okay, good. Now we have the 8 Tron on our balance. So now we have the total of 28 Tron on our balance. So what we need to do now to be sure that this platform is really paying us is to go and withdraw. I want to make a live withdrawal for you all to see. So all I need to do now is to click on withdraw, then voila, you can see the amount I can withdraw from this platform right now, about 2.24 Tron. That's awesome, you know. So let me say in the next few days, like in the next 4 days, I should make back my capital and I'm good to go. So now let's do this quickly. So I go back to my wallet. Okay, then receive, click on receive, you copy, you go back there, and okay, here you write it. You have to write the amount that is written here, which is 2.24. That's the amount I want to withdraw right now. So I paste my wallet here, then take this, go to write your security code. Okay, confirm. Okay, so that is done. Okay, now I just withdrew the 2.24 and I want to see it in my wallet in few minutes. Let me just wait and see it for in the next few minutes. I know it's gonna be in my wallet. So but before I do that, I always tell you guys something about your affiliate links. Always, then you just come to share. Down below here you will see where you can get share. Here, like let me show you in case. Here, over here, you come to share, you click on your affiliate link, which is over here. Here, click on it. You click on it and go to your social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, okay, that is it. I just got it in my wallet. Let me see. You can see for yourself. I just got the 2.24 in my wallet instantly. Good. So you go to your social media, share your referral link, because with this referral link you have, let me show you something you need to see, which is on the notification. Go to notification, go down below, you can see what I mean over here, why you should share your referral link. Invitation to share can get 18% of the first level reward. You can see what I'm talking about. 18%, that's huge, that's awesome. So why don't you try it? Don't depend on only your investment. Make sure you share your referral link to make some extra cash with this platform. So guys, that is how you can make some extra cash with this platform. So if you like what I just showed you and you want to do this, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on it and enjoy, start making some extra money with this. But don't forget, like I said, make sure you do your own research before you invest. So guys, if you like what I showed you, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. So quickly guys, I'll see you again in the next video. One love, ciao.